Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can tell from the title, today I'm going to be doing a lip swatch. So I went to Sephora. I already took the items out of the bag, but I got the new Fenty Beauty Poutsicle Hydrating Lipstain. So they currently only have 4 shades. I already took 3 of them out of the packaging. This one is still in the packaging. So this is how the packaging looks like. And then the name and shade is on top of each of the boxes, and then this is how the actual products looks like. I'll show you guys up close. This is how the actual products looks like, and then again the color is on top and then the shade is on the bottom. Super cute. So currently they only have 4 shades. They have My Type, which is a pink shade, Strawberry Sangria, which is a red shade, Berry Banger, which is a berry shade, and then Zesty Bestie, which is a coral. They retail for $24, and since we are heading into summer, the shades definitely fit. They're very bright, bold type of shades. So it says that these are a lip stain that goes on glossy and leaves behind a soft tint, delivering rapid hydration for an effortless, low maintenance look. I saw this in Sephora last week. I did swatch them and they stayed on. Like, they were not going anywhere. So I do want to try them out to see, you know, how I feel about them. And I'm pretty sure, you know, after a while they will launch other shades. I definitely would like to see how like a nude chocolate shade look, but currently this is all they have. So I'm gonna go and order from what they have on the site, and of course you could buy these also on the Fenty website, but I purchased mine inside of Sephora. So first I'm gonna go with My Type. That's Zesty Bestie. Which one's My Type? Okay, so first I'm gonna go with My Type, which is the pink shade, and I am gonna bring you guys close as well so you guys can see how it looks on. I'm gonna swatch it right here. It's very pretty. So this is how it looks like. It's a very pretty shade, and again, as I mentioned, they do stain the lips, and they did stain my hand when I did try them on. So let's see. And my lips pretty dry. I haven't had nothing on them, so okay, it feels like you're applying like a very hydrating product on. It feels like water. It's not a bad thing. Okay, and I just switched the applicator to just apply the other side. Okay. Okay, you have to definitely be precise with these because again, they do feel like water. So they, you know, they do move a little. And since they do stain, where you put it, that's where it's stained. Okay, this is My Type. Okay, you guys, so I did go with the makeup wipe to take off My Type off my lips. I did try my best, but you know, I do have two-tone lips, so you know, it does leave a little taint, but it is very pretty though. You know, it looks really nice on, even without the lipstick. It looks nice. So right now I'm gonna go with Strawberry Sangria, which is the red shade. So let's see. Okay, so this is strawberry sangria, and you literally only need one coat. You guys saw I did not have to dip back. I used both sides of the applicators to get the product, and yeah, one coat works. And of course, on the bottom, if you do have two-tone lips, on the bottom, you know, on my lips, of course, it is definitely a little bit brighter than the top, but I do like it. You know, they're very pretty on. They look really good. They look good on. So again, strawberry sangria. Okay, you guys, I just realized that when I was taking it off, I realized I didn't give you guys a swatch. So I'm gonna put it right here. This is strawberry sangria. Very, very pretty. Okay, so now we're gonna go, I think I'm gonna, even though on Sephora they have Berry Banger as the next shade, I'm gonna go with the Coral, which is Zesty Bestie, and I feel as if I should have went with this one first because I don't really know if it's gonna show. But yeah, so we're gonna go with Zesty Bestie. Let's see what she's giving. Okay, she's showing, never mind. Okay, now let me do the little swatch. Put it right up here. So the top one is Zesty Bestie. Okay, and again, just one swatch. This is Zesty Bestie. Now this one definitely is very similar. Like I think it's because of my the tone of my lips. I feel as if it's really similar to, I think the red one I tried, strawberry sangria. I mean, the strawberry sangria, it's a little bit deeper, but I feel as if they are pretty similar. But they're both are very, very pretty. So again, Zesty Bestie. Okay, so we're back. We're gonna try the last shade, which is Berry Banger. So I'm gonna put it on top. Berry Banger is right there. So this is all 4 shades swatch. Okay, so okay, so the last one again is Berry Banger. This one is also very, very pretty, just like the other 3. Hopefully, you know, this lip swatch did help you guys see how they would look on you if we have, like, you know, similar skin tone, and you know, as well as them being on my hand. And yeah, they're gonna stain my hand. Let me see if y'all could see. Okay, so I just, you know, wiped them all, and you could still see it. Let me come a little bit closer. You could still see them, even though I just wiped them off with my makeup remover. You could still see them, and they're gonna stay, you know, till I take a shower and scrub my hand. But yeah, hopefully, you know, this swatch did help you guys see how they look on. If you are interested in picking just one up or all 4. I forgot to mention, there's no smell at all. Like, it smells like nothing at all. It doesn't smell like makeup, perfume, fruits, cake, nothing at all. So just in case somebody was curious, you don't smell anything. So yeah, so that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching another one. You know, I definitely appreciate it.